Understanding being self-absorbed. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase that you might come across in English conversations: being self-absorbed. It's a common term, but understanding its nuances can really help you in both understanding English better and in your interactions with others. Let's explore what it means to be self-absorbed, examples of self-absorbed behavior, and how to use this phrase in your daily conversations. Being self-absorbed refers to a person who is overly focused on themselves, their feelings, thoughts, and interests, often at the expense of others' feelings or needs. It's important to note that being self-absorbed is different from being self-aware or self-conscious. Self-absorbed individuals may not realize the extent of their focus on themselves and how it affects those around them. They might overlook others' needs, feelings, or contributions because they are too caught up in their own world. To better understand this concept, let's look at some examples of self-absorbed behavior. Dominating conversations by talking mostly about oneself without showing interest in others. Lack of empathy or understanding of others' feelings and situations. Being preoccupied with personal issues or achievements to the point of neglecting others' needs or contributions. Seeking attention and validation from others constantly without giving back or acknowledging others. Recognizing these behaviors can help in identifying self-absorbed individuals or even reflecting on our own actions. When using the phrase, being self-absorbed, in conversations, it's usually in a context of discussing behavior. For example, I think he's being a bit self-absorbed lately. He hasn't once asked how I'm doing. Trying not to be self-absorbed, I made sure to listen more than I spoke at the party. It can also be a reflective tool for self-improvement, acknowledging times when we might have been too focused on ourselves. I hope this video has shed some light on what it means to be self-absorbed and how you can recognize and discuss this behavior in English. Understanding such phrases not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps in navigating social interactions more smoothly. Remember, the goal is to foster positive communication and empathy towards others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.